Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how I created some mini ears to display your pins, the collector pins that you can exchange at the park. It's just a fun way to carry them around or just to display them. Okay, let's get started. I found this cork material at the 99-cent store. It was in a package of 2. You'll need to cut 2 circles 4 inches in diameter. You'll need a headband. You'll also need some ribbon to glue around the rough edges of the ears, and also you need a knife, some scissors, or just an X-Acto knife. Take your time cutting. You definitely want to make sure you get it as rounded as possible. As you're cutting, you can try the scissors, the box cutter, anything to help you get around those edges. Once you've cut them all out, you're going to grab the circles and put them against your headband and see where is it that you would like to place those ears and mark them down. I decided to go with a Little Mermaid theme, so I'm going to definitely leave some space for my bow. And I don't like them too high up top, so I'm going to leave them a little bit lower. Once you have everything marked down, cut that little piece, mark your headband to see where you'll be gluing. After you have done that, glue the ribbon around the circles to cover the rough edges. Then glue your ears onto your marked headband. Okay, everything is glued and dried. Now I can decorate it. I had some beads that I'm just gluing to the edge on both ears, just on the bottom. I was doing a Little Mermaid theme, so I had an aqua blue bow, a fork, and you can find those mini forks at the Dollar Tree, and just a purple star, or you can do a seashell just to give it that Little Mermaid feel. And that's it, you are done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.